of vector by just by assignment operator and using this C function. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the vector we have created. So this was the simplest way we have created, and this is the way how the measure of the vectors are created. And let's do some of the functions on the vector. There are many functions available to operate the or manipulate the vector. So let's go with the one, accessing the vector. Okay, accessing the vector. So we are going to access the elements of the vector. So for this we are going to assign a vector at first. Okay, let do this, where we are going to enter the name of the week, day of week, in the vector. So this is one of the vector created. So we are going to access the element of the vector. So we can do this by using the big bracket followed by the vector and the position. Okay, 2, 3, okay, 7. Let's print. So we get the elements in its respective position. So Sunday is assigned with the 1, 2 is Monday, 3 is Tuesday, and 7 is Saturday. So we can access the vector element by the position. Okay, let me comment out accessing the elements of vector using position. Okay, so this is one of the way of accessing the vector elements. The next way is using the logical indexing. So by using logical indexing. Okay, so here we will be accessing the element by using the true or false. Let's first look at the example. Okay, so if we assign true, false, true, false, okay, false, false, and true. Okay, so wherever there is true, the element will be printed. So in Sunday there is true, Sunday will be printed, and in Tuesday there is true, and in Saturday there is true. So with the true value, the vector elements will be printed. Similarly, we have seen. So this was accessing vector elements using logical indexing. So next one is accessing vector elements using negative indexing. By using negative indexing. Okay, so for this let's do B. Okay, so wherever we give the indexing, we will not get the element. Just like if -2, the -2 position is -1 and -2, this element will not be accessed, and -5. Okay, -5 is this position, so this will not be accessed. So let's learn. Okay, argument 3. Oh, sorry, I will used here another comma. So let's learn. So as mentioned, the output is as I already mentioned. So second position and the fifth position are not printed here. Okay, the next one is by using 0 by 1 indexing. So let's look at the example. So print B. Okay, see. Okay, let's do 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, so we get the sound and sound. So with the first one, letter will be printed. Okay, this was the indexing. So other vector manipulation are the vector arithmetic. So vector arithmetic. Okay, this one is a vector. So two vectors of the same length can be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided, giving result as a vector output. So we have also done it. So let's do a revision. Okay, let's do vector 1 equal to c 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, and vector 2 1 comma 5 comma 8 comma 1. Okay, this is vector 1 and vector 2 we have assigned. Let's do vector addition. Vector addition. Okay, let's do print b1 plus b2. So these two vectors are added. We can check the result. Also vector subtraction and vector multiplication and vector division. Vector multiplication. So this is easy, so I left it for you. You can do yourself. Okay, this is not so the big one. So the next topic is the vector recycling. So vector recycling means that if we apply arithmetic operations to two vectors of unequal length, then the element of the shorter vector are recycled to complete the operation. Just like let's say vector recycling. So okay, b1 is one of the vector with the elements like this, 3 comma 8 comma 4 comma 5 comma 0 comma 11. Okay, and b2, yeah, see, okay, 5 comma 11. Okay, so these are the two vectors. So if you add the b1 and b2, we'll see that these vectors are of unequal length. For this instance, the vector 2 will be like this, 5 comma 11 comma 5 comma 11 comma 5 comma 11. So this will be like this to complete this vector. Okay, so whenever we add, okay, print b1 plus b2, so we're going to get this recycling of the vector. So this way the vector are recycled in the R. So after that, let's see the sorting of vector. So we can sort the elements of the vector. So let's okay, let me use this vector. Okay, yeah, this is the vector. So if you want to sort this, we can simply sort it by using the sort function, sort v1. Okay, so we can see this is sorted. Okay, this is the sorting of the vector. Also we can sorting in the reverse order. Okay, so sorting in this reverse order is like this, sort, okay, b, and decreasing equal to true. So this is b1. I am again done mistake. So this is sorted in reverse order. Okay, this was about the sorting of the vectors. So we can also similarly do this for the character vectors also. So let's see one of the example. So see, okay, let's do cat, dog, Okay, another one, apple, apple. So let's sort it. Print sort. Okay, d. Okay, so now it is sorted in alphabetical order. So this was about the vector and the vector manipulation. So this was for this video. We'll meet on the next video. See you again.